So far in DMAC, we have gone through D, where we defined the problem. Then we went for M, where we took the measurement of the current performance, how the process was performing, the process which we want to improve, how that was performing. We took measurements of that in the measure phase. Now in this phase, which is analyze, we are analyzing the problem, analyzing the issue. In analysis of that problem, we have number of tools at our disposal. Let's learn about some simple lean tools. These simple lean tools can help you in finding out the wastes, where the wastes are. So if you can look at that, reduce or eliminate those wastes, those are going to help you in improving your process. Two important tools which we are discussing here in lean tools, those are 5S and value analysis. These are very simple tools. Let's look at these and understand what these are and how they can help us in reducing waste in our process. Let's start that with 5S.